In the last lecture, we learned about network topology and how computers can be connected together. One way that we can connect computers together is using cables. In this lecture, we will learn about the different types of cables used to connect computers together in computer networking. There are three main types of cables. Coaxial cable protects data from electromagnetic interference, or EMI. The main parts of this type of cable are a wire, insulation, and metal shield. This type of wire transmits electricity to send signals back and forth. Twisted pair is the most common type of cabling. Wires are twisted to reduce interference. The more that the cable is twisted, the more it reduces the interference. This type of wire also transmits electricity. Fiber optic cables, on the other hand, transmit light and can carry data farther than the other types of cables. Now, there are two types of twisted pair cables, shielded and unshielded. Shielded twisted pair cables is where the wires are surrounded by a piece of copper or foil to prevent electromagnetic interference. Unshielded wires do not have an additional surrounding material. There are also two types of fiber optic cables, LED and laser. LEDs are cheap and reliable. They have a limited distance over which you can send data. They have a long lifetime and are not very sensitive to temperature. Laser fiber optic cables are more expensive than LEDs, allow for data to be transmitted at a higher rate and over a longer distance, have a short lifetime, and are very sensitive to temperature. In summary, there are several types of cabling and each has advantages, disadvantages, and its own ideal use case.